All right, we've got an oil filter from a Valvoline Restore and Protect run on the mat here. And this is only about 2,500 miles. Look at all the carbon that the oil pulled out of the engine and put in the filter. That is stunning. Wow. It's just pleat after pleat after pleat of carbon. This oil filter is nothing special. This is a Mobil 1 M1-110. But that is a lot of crud. That Valvoline Restore and Protect is pulling out of the engine. Look at this stuff down here. Wow. So definitely change your filter more frequently if you're using this oil. That's kind of stunning. I think I'm going to be changing my oil filter once a month for the short term. That's amazing.